Most kitchen gadgets look useful until they end up collecting dust. So in this video, I've picked 15 kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it in 2026. Tools that save time, reduce effort, and make cooking way easier. All the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5Q Stand Mixer. Kicking things off, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5Q Stand Mixer is a true kitchen workhorse that can handle everything from cookie dough and bread to whipped cream and mashed potatoes, with 10 speeds and a 5Q stainless steel bowl. It's built to tackle both small batches and big family recipes without breaking a sweat. The iconic tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients and swap attachments. And with over 10 optional add-ons available, like pasta rollers, meat grinders, and spiralizers, it can evolve into a full food prep station over time. If you want one gadget that instantly upgrades your entire kitchen game, this is it. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer 4-in-1 Pro AAF 141. Next up, the Ninja Air Fryer 4-in-1 Pro AAF 141 gives you crispy, golden results with way less oil than traditional frying. Its 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, means you can make everything from wings and fries to roasted veggies and dried fruit in one compact appliance. Air Crisp technology surrounds your food with superheated air up to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering that satisfying crunch without the grease. While the 5Q basket fits up to roughly 4 pounds of fries or similar portions for family meals. If you're short on time but still want better than takeout results, this air fryer is a must-have. Number 3. Powat Precision Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. Coming next, the Powat Precision Food Vacuum Sealer Machine helps you save money and reduce food waste by sealing meats, veggies, and leftovers in airtight bags. Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and flavor while protecting food from freezer burn, making it perfect for bulk buys or meal prep. It typically supports dry and moist modes, so you can seal everything from raw steaks to marinated chicken or even pre-cooked meals. Pair it with sous vide cooking or long-term freezer storage, and it becomes one of the most practical tools for anyone serious about organization and efficiency in the kitchen. Number 4. Ninja Food Processor Professional Plus BN601. Next, the Ninja Food Processor Professional Plus BN601 is built to crush prep time with a powerful motor that makes chopping, slicing, shredding, and pureeing feel effortless. Large capacity bowls and sharp blades let you handle everything from salsa and coleslaw to doughs and nut butters in a single machine. Preset programs and simple controls take the guesswork out of consistency, so your veggies, sauces, and mixes come out even every time. If you cook frequently and find yourself constantly chopping or grating by hand, this processor is a massive time saver. Number 5. Black & Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. The Black & Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker is all about reliable, no-fuss coffee for households and home offices. With a 12-cup capacity, it's perfect for families or caffeine-heavy mornings. And the digital programmable timer let you wake up to a fresh pot already brewed. Features like pause and serve, keep warm function, and an easy-to-read display make daily use simple and intuitive. If you just want consistent drip coffee without complicated menus or pods, this machine gets the job done day after day. Number 6. Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven. Coming up, the Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven combines a toaster oven and air fryer in one versatile countertop unit. It can toast, bake, broil, and air fry, which makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who doesn't want multiple bulky appliances. Air fry technology lets you get crispy fries, nuggets, and snacks with less oil, while the oven functions handle pizzas, sheet pan meals, and reheating leftovers better than a microwave. It's an all-in-one upgrade that can easily become your go-to for quick meals. Number 7. Crock-Pot 6Q Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 6Q Programmable Slow Cooker is a set-it-and-forget-it classic for busy days. With programmable time and temperature settings, you can load in ingredients in the morning and come home to a ready-to-serve stew, chili, or roast by evening. The 6-quart size is ideal for families, meal prep, or potluck dishes. And the removable stoneware insert goes straight to the table or into the dishwasher. If you want comforting home-cooked meals with minimal effort, this slow cooker belongs in your rotation. Number 8. DeLonghi Stalsa Manual Espresso Machine. Coming next, the DeLonghi Stalsa Manual Espresso Machine brings cafe-style espresso to your countertop without an overcomplicated interface. It lets you pull espresso shots and steam milk manually, giving you control over lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos at home. The compact design fits smaller kitchens, while the built-in steam wand creates foamy milk for latte art or creamy coffee drinks. If you're ready to move beyond drip coffee into real espresso without jumping straight to a huge prosumer machine, this is a great first step. Number 9. Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer JC151. The Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer JC151 is designed to handle dense produce and leafy greens without constantly clogging up. Its cold press technology slowly crushes fruits and veggies to extract juice with less foam and more nutrients compared to many traditional high-speed juicers. With easy-to-clean parts and multiple pulp filters, you can customize how smooth or pulpy you like your juice. Whether you're into daily green juices or occasional fresh orange and carrot blends, this juicer makes the process smoother and less frustrating. Number 10. Chefman Panini Press Grill 4-Slice. Coming up, the Chefman Panini Press Grill 4-Slice turns simple ingredients into cafe-style paninis and grilled sandwiches in minutes. Its clamshell design presses from both sides, creating those satisfying grill marks and a perfectly melted interior without needing a full-size grill. The flat, non-stick plates make cleanup easy, and the larger surface can handle multiple sandwiches or snacks at once, making it great for families or hosting. It's also handy for quick quesadillas, grilled wraps, and reheating pizza with a crisp bite. Number 11. Color Limo 1800-watt Immersion Blender 4-in-1. Next, the Color Limo 1800-watt Immersion Blender 4-in-1 is a powerful handheld tool that lets you blend soups, sauces, and smoothies directly in the pot or cup. With multiple attachments like a whisk, chopper, and blending beaker, it replaces several small appliances in one compact kit. The strong motor and variable speeds give you control over texture, from silky purees to chunky sauces. If you like making cream soups, baby food, or quick protein shakes without dirtying a big blender, this immersion set is incredibly convenient. Number 12. eTech City's Smart Food Kitchen Scale. The eTech City's Smart Food Kitchen Scale is perfect for anyone tracking macros, baking by weight, or just wanting more precise recipes. It measures in grams, ounces, and other units, and many models sync with smartphone apps to log nutrition and portion sizes automatically. The slim design fits easily in a drawer, and a clear digital display makes it easy to read, even with larger bowls on top. Whether you're following strict diets or dialing in recipes, this scale adds accuracy that measuring cups simply can't match. Number 13. Zool Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand. Coming next, the Zool Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand turns regular coffee into cafe-style lattes and cappuccinos with creamy foam in seconds. Just dip the wand into hot or cold milk and power it on for smooth froth that can top coffee, hot chocolate, or matcha. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, offices, or even travel, and it's easy to rinse clean under running water. If you love cafe drinks but not cafe prices, this tiny gadget pays for itself quickly. Number 14. Emerald Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven 26 quarts. The Emerald Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven 26 quarts is a large-capacity countertop powerhouse that combines an air fryer, convection oven, roaster, and more in one unit. With generous interior space, it can handle full meals, sheet pan dinners, pizzas, and multiple portions at once. Great for families or batch cooking. Multiple preset functions and included accessories like racks and trays make it versatile for baking, toasting, roasting, and dehydrating. If you want something that can almost replace your full-size oven for everyday cooking, this is a serious all-in-one contender. Number 15. Secura Electric Wine Opener Rechargeable. Finally, the Secura electric wine opener rechargeable makes opening bottles effortless with a push of a button. It quickly removes corks without crumbling them, which is perfect for dinner parties, holidays, or just relaxing evenings at home. The sleek, cordless design sits nicely on a countertop or bar cart, and the rechargeable battery means it's always ready when you are. For wine lovers who want a clean, easy, and modern way to open bottles, this gadget is a simple luxury that quickly becomes a staple. And that wraps up our list of 15 kitchen gadgets that are truly worth it in 2026. From heavy-duty appliances that replace multiple tools to small, smart gadgets that quietly upgrade your daily routine, these picks are all about making your kitchen faster, cleaner, and way more enjoyable to use. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these gadgets would you actually use every day? Or is there a kitchen tool you think deserves a spot on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. If this video helped you make smarter buying decisions, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tech and home gadget reviews, and don't forget to check the description for the best deals on every item mentioned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.